Ginger is a popular spice that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and cooking. It is known for its unique flavor and aroma, but it also has a wide range of health benefits. When you start eating ginger, your body undergoes several changes that can improve your overall health and well-being. In this video, we will explore what happens to your body when you start eating ginger. 1. Reduces inflammation. One of the most significant benefits of ginger is its ability to reduce inflammation in the body. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols and shogols, which have anti-inflammatory properties. When you consume ginger, these compounds inhibit the production of inflammatory chemicals in the body, which can reduce pain and swelling. 2. Boosts immune system. Ginger also has immune-boosting properties. It contains antioxidants that can help to protect your body from damage caused by free radicals. When you eat ginger, it stimulates the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off infections and diseases. 3. Improves digestion. Ginger is a natural digestive aid that can help to relieve digestive problems such as nausea, bloating, and constipation. It contains compounds that can stimulate the production of digestive juices and enzymes, which can improve the absorption of nutrients from food. 4. Lowers blood sugar. Ginger has been shown to have a positive effect on blood sugar levels. It can lower fasting blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, which can be beneficial for people with diabetes. 5. Reduces cholesterol. Another benefit of ginger is its ability to lower cholesterol levels. It can reduce the levels of LDL, bad cholesterol, and triglycerides in the blood, which can decrease the risk of heart disease. 6. Relieves pain. Ginger has natural pain-relieving properties that can help to alleviate pain in the body. It can be particularly effective for menstrual cramps, muscle pain, and headaches. 7. Supports brain function. Ginger has been shown to have neuroprotective properties that can help to support brain function. It can improve cognitive function, enhance memory, and protect against age-related cognitive decline. Remember, when you start eating ginger, your body undergoes several changes that can have a positive impact on your health and well-being. It can reduce inflammation, boost the immune system, improve digestion, lower blood sugar and cholesterol, relieve pain, and support brain function. Adding ginger to your diet is a simple and effective way to improve your overall health.